So I think the climate and the location of the academy is very conducive to intense physical workouts. Besides, the physical trainers that we have in the academy have really pushed and gotten people out of their comfort zones to explore different physical activities, including running and different sports. Personally, I really enjoyed the cross-country race because of the route that we took and because fellow officer trainees were highly inspired.
Regular yoga sessions held in the academy promote mental well-being with physical agility. The Happy Valley Sports Complex, with excellent facilities for athletics, football, badminton, squash and tennis, is the hub of post-class activities. The gymnasium has extensive training facilities for fitness enthusiasts and echoes with the music of the determined. The fitness acquired over the training period is put to test in the Himalayan trek. The location of the academy facilitates access to some beautiful trekking routes. Pristine rivers, lofty mountains and verdant valleys fill the probationers with a sense of awe towards nature.
Himalayan trek was the most wonderful and memorable experience of my foundation course. It gave me an opportunity to make lifelong friends. It also was a wonderful experience in the sense that we did things which we never imagined that we could able to do.
Along with the shortage of basic necessities of life, the challenging routes and the arduous climb to the top of the hills engender the values of collaboration and esprit de corps among the probationers. Professionalism distilled through knowledge and discipline are recognized every year by the Academy through various honors and awards. The Karmashila building houses the officers' mess at LBSNAA, which is the epitome of Shishtachar, or the officer-like qualities that the Academy strives to instill in the probationers.
The officers' mess at LBSNAA is one of the most vital parts of this institution. It caters to a mini India. Each state of the region is represented in the menu itself. We ensure that the probationers, they run the mess themselves, see the quality, hygiene, etc.
Like the officers' mess committee, the different clubs and societies are managed by the probationers at LBSNAA. This nurtures their leadership and organization skills and prepares them for their actual work responsibilities.
Through management circle, we should inculcate in all of us the quality of leader and also the sensitization.
The vision for SOCA has always been to be a place of intellectual debate and conversation. For a lot of the participants that have been a part of our events, they've not only added a lot of energy to what we've wanted to do, but they've also been the very soul of everything that the team has tried to accomplish.
The aim of the Fine Arts Association is to bring each and every officer trainee on the stage during the foundation course and to showcase their talent.
Sampurnanand Auditorium, the heart of academic and cultural activities in the Academy, with a seating capacity of 450, is the place of complete joy, as its name denotes. The annual LBSNAA one-act play competition brings out the theatrical talent among the OTs.
So we had a very wide variety of events which included Saptavarna as well as Intradhanush. Through their awe-inspiring performances, they were able to inculcate a sense of respect for various cultures.
I'm from Bhutan. For every Bhutanese officer trainees, every day is a big learning experience to during this FC foundation course. For a personal level, we can really strengthen and cement the age-old friendship between India and Bhutan, because we get a lot of opportunity to interact with the different officer trainees from different parts of the country.
National integration